Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Right, today I'm going to be making a souvenir tray. I'm going to incorporate the New Zealand flag. So I had a flag and I just chopped out the bit I needed. That actually took quite a while. I just kept trimming it until it fit on the inside of this little tray here. I'm going to also put in a few little coins, some of our lower denomination coins. So I've mixed up 100 mils. Pretty sure that's mixed up really well. I normally time it. I normally time 3 to 4 minutes. I didn't turn my timer on this time, so touch wood, hopefully it'll be okay. So I feel like I've stirred it for longer than that, but that is a little bit risky. Usually about 4 minutes is good, just so there's no striations left in there. It looks pretty mixed and it's quite runny now, so that's good. Okay, let's get started. So first step, I'm just going to spray this little tray mold I just got from Timo. It is warped, as you can see on one side, so when I use it I have to actually push something up against it. Probably should get a new one. So let's spray the mold with a bit of isopropyl alcohol to try and eliminate bubbles around the edges. I'll just go ahead and pour some in to just cover the bottom here. Right. Now I have to work out how my flag is going to go. I think it's going to go that way. So what I want to do is I want to put these coins in, but not hide the stars. So I'll dip the coin first in the resin just to make sure it's completely coated and there's going to be no air trapped underneath that coin. Okay. Now I can't get the little sucker out. Okay, let's try one of these ones. Oh my gosh, here he comes. And I'll turn it over so the nice picture is on the other side. So that'll go about there, I think. Dollar coin. About there. 10-cent. Probably right up there. And the 20 cents. Probably pop them down about there. I won't put two silver ones right next to each other, I'll just move them along there. Make sure my pictures are in the right way. Oh, yep. There. Okay. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Let's just pop them over. Where are those stars going to be? Okay, this one needs to come over a bit. Okay, so I did put some resin on this old piece just to see if the colour would change too much, and it's not too bad. So I've decided I'm not going to seal the flag, I'm just going to pop them straight in. I am going to spray them first with alcohol just to wet it, because I can imagine a lot of bubbles coming out of this material. So I'll just pop them down straight on top. You can see, I don't know if you can see the coins through there. So just pop this one over a little bit, I'd say. Well, it shouldn't matter if it's touching that actually a little bit. Okay, that's cool. I might just top a little bit up on top. I'm just going to let that cure, and then I'm going to pop another colour over top. It'll probably be white, and I'm hoping the white will make the colours more vivid. Okay, now I need to just pop something up there to keep it straight. I will find something and I'll come back at the next step. Spray that a little bit on top. Right, this is going to be a real quick video, guys. Okay, see you soon. Right, that is actually cured. So I'm going to put, I think I'll put this white mica, it's sort of a pearl white mica to fill it. I'm a bit concerned that my flag is a little bit small and there's too much of a gap around the edge, but we'll see what it ends up like. Just move this out of the way. Whoa. And let's pop about that much in. I could have just put a little bit of resin in a little container and mixed my mica first and then put it in here. It probably would have been a better idea. I got that tip from a subscriber. But I didn't do it. I forgot. I just realised now as I was putting the mica in there. It's sort of a champagne pearl colour. I'll just pop a little bit more in. Grab my stick. I've got about 18 mils of resin here. If that's too much, that's all good, because I always leave a mould to the side that I pour my extras in. So I will just continue mixing this thoroughly till all that mica powder is incorporated, and then I'll just let it sit for a while, and any that's not mixed in will rise to the surface and you can just mix it again. Right, let's pour it in. Oh yeah, we'll give it a spray. Just a little bit of alcohol, just so it doesn't cause bubbles around the edge there. Sorry about the shadows. It's raining today, it's quite dark. Just looking from the side. It's quite full. It's just about taking that whole 80. Yep. Okay, tiny bit left. Let's pop them in my little bird. Right, we will be back when that is cured and we'll unmold it and see what it looks like. So yeah, just the flag of the country that you want to represent and a couple of small coins. I wouldn't put notes in. In New Zealand you're not allowed to use notes for art because you're defacing money, but you can use coins. Okay, back soon. Just going to run this around just to dislodge any bubbles that are sticking to the side. Right, let's have a look at this and see how it turned out. Oh, that's really cool. I like it. Excellent. Oh no. Oh no. This layer hasn't cured. Look at that. It's had plenty of time to cure too, so that tells me my measurements were off or I didn't mix it long enough. What a shame. Oh well, at least I know what it's going to look like if I make another one. Ah man, it's really disappointing. Hey, you win some, you lose some. But it's an idea anyway, so man, it's no point keeping it. It's floppy and it's a real shame. Never mind. But I do like the design. New Zealand flag with some New Zealand coins. Great souvenir for anyone that's coming to New Zealand and want to take something home. Okay guys, well thanks for watching. Never mind that it didn't turn out. I'll put my thinking cap on and try and figure out what went wrong. Maybe my measuring cups. I've got new measuring cups. No, but I did actually use one of my old ones for the top, so that these are pretty accurate. So it shouldn't have been that. So it must. Don't know what happened there. I'll leave it one more day and see if it hardens up, but it should be hard by now. I mean, I can put my nail right in there. Never mind. Okay guys, thanks for watching anyway. Catch you on the next one. Bye.